What if you lived in a world where your worth wasn't tied to how much you produce or accomplish? Imagine waking up sick and actually staying home without that crushing guilt. Taking a bath on Tuesday afternoon just because you wanted to, not because you earned it. Feeling deserving of love even when you haven't checked a single thing off your list. Soon, bigger changes would follow. You'd choose the job that brings you joy over the one that looks impressive. You'd stop giving endlessly in relationships just to prove your value. You'd pick up painting again, even though it serves no practical purpose. But here's what would surprise you most. Some people would feel uncomfortable with your new pace. You'd realize how much of your anxiety was actually performance anxiety in disguise. Most shocking of all, you'd discover that beneath all those achievements, there's still a whole person there. Your existence alone would have inherent value, regardless of what you produce. That's not a fantasy world. That's the truth you've forgotten.